So in this Scotiabank app tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to sign up for an American Express card here on the Scotiabank application. So once Scotiabank's opened up, I want you to go to the home screen here where it says credit cards. I want you to press on add card. It'll then bring you to the Discover Credit Card screen right here. So once you're on this page, you can actually view and browse a bunch of different credit cards that are being offered. So if you want to look for American Express cards specifically, we'll just scroll down to where it says browse all cards. Now, you can't filter by like Amex's, MasterCards, Visas, etc. But if you just were to scroll down, so there's 18 credit cards right here. You can look for different Amex cards right here. So the first one that you can see is the Scotiabank Gold American Express card. This is one option. You can keep scrolling down for another one. So the Scotiabank American Express card right here. We can keep scrolling down to the Scotiabank Platinum American Express card, so that's another option for you guys if you're looking for that. We can maybe keep scrolling down to see if there's any more options. I don't think there is, but I could be mistaken here. This one, I think this is the last one, the Scotiabank American Express card for students. So, for example, if you wanted to sign up, let's just say for this one, the Scotiabank American Express card, we'll just go ahead and press apply right here. Once you're on the next page right here, the process has begun. So you can just scroll down, read what you have to read, do what you got to do some due diligence, and if all looks good and you want to proceed, just go to the bottom, press on agree and continue to proceed to the next steps of the application process. So very simple, very straightforward. That is how to sign up for an American Express card here on the Scotiabank application. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.